Hi folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. Tired. Okay, my internal organs are acting up, so I have to take a little break for about a day or two so my ulcers don't kick up and other damages. Every time I do a diet, I have 2 weeks of horrible pain. So anyway, first off, check out these people. We have Nikki, and we have Ellie, and we have Miss Vital Survival, Voon Chile. She just finished Shedford Wars this year. And welcoming back Becky Stiles. That's the sister of Cheryl Hirsch. Now, a lot of people are asking me, do I need to buy Rambo stuff, Batman and the Boondock stuff? I keep telling them no. All right? Keep it simple. Don't go overboard. If it looks too good, it is. And a lot of people make a lot of serious mistakes, and this is their first hard test, and they're going to find out a lot of their supplies and a lot of the gear they got are garbage. Okay? Simple truth. Now, I do book reviews, and this is for Becky Stiles. And I know you bought Mom's survival book. I have it around here someplace. But anyway, you gave that to Cheryl Hirsch, which is very good. You should read it. If you have a copy, read it again. This one is Dave Black. He's the EMT. All right. And he didn't say Civil War. He says civil unrest. Now, a lot of people confuse Civil War. You have to have it organized. Now, if the Democrats finally go wacko and have a bunch of states and have their militias and military side with them, yes, that's a civil war. But if it's like little groups all over the United States, that's a communist insurgency. Two different things. First Civil War, people don't realize that it wasn't an insurgency, a communist, socialist, slave owner, whatever. It wasn't that. All right? That was a proper civil war. Right now, what we're in position of is outside forces are backing these radical leftist units doing a philosophy. Now, the South was trying to retain states' rights. I read a lot of history. You go ask, great, no coffee. The ungrateful president, Wayne G. And he'll have to agree with me. I'm trying to keep this short. So anyway, I do recommend this book for Becky Stiles and a few people on that list. Now, I tell a lot of people, it's a lot easier if you do survival this way. Don't go overboard. Keep it simple. It's not rocket science, folks. It's just basic, simple stuff. All right? You know, you can do this at home. And that's Shoestring Survivalism by Andy James. I would recommend to get that book. And also, this one here, and this is by James Ballou. This is the Wilderness Survival Kit for anybody living out in the woods. Don't need a fancy, pig sticker. That's a regular chef's knife. A good hickory, I think it's hickory, carbon steel butcher knife or chef knife, whatever you pick. That's how simple it is. And I'm keeping this fairly short. So please check out these people right here and support them. And like I said, the only problem with me is I am seriously injured. I got injuries you would not believe. And two, I still can't figure out how, I don't know where I put my smartphone at. I keep yelling Siri, but it doesn't answer back. So I'm still trying to figure that one out. So anyway, if I had enough money and a proper crew, I could do a whole bunch of videos instead of me sitting here in a lab coat trying to entertain you folks. You know, I could do a whole bunch of stuff, but YouTube, controlled by the evil Chinese corporations and the leftists and, big tech, won't let me do it because I know a lot of fun things that you could do at home. And I don't have the budget, I don't have the manpower or the equipment. It's just little old me right here in front of a laptop with a good camera and a light. And I don't have space to set up a fancy James May cat food kind of visual bunker. Yeah, and I found out BBC's backing him. James May, you can check it out in food trucks. So anyway, I'm going to tell you a few tricks and things later on. I gotta lie down right now because I took a tranquilizer. When you have ulcers, you have to take a certain type of tranquilizers and you can't be standing up too long. So I'll be lying back on, if I could ever find my smartphone, looking at all you wonderful people's videos. And you have a nice day, folks. I'll catch you later.